Well, hello and welcome to an RC. I did say in our intro video that a new model was coming, and here she is, a red TRX4 from Traxxas. Now, I've wanted a Traxxas, ever since I got into the RC hobby when I was a kid, really. This is a very special purchase for me. It's been made up of joint Christmas birthday presents and it's pretty much selling every other RC car that I have. Not the HPI Venture, that is staying, I promise. But here she is, and it's taken a long time, but I've got it and I am extraordinarily excited. I have been waiting for a number of days and I got home to unbox this and I put my little girl to bed. Well, you know, said hello to the family, get my priorities right. And here we are. So, excuse the excitement. I'm hoping that Traxxas will live up to its name and reputation for me. I've wanted a TRX4 ever since they came out. Apologies for the noise. Me excitedly taking the wrapping paper off. I'm not going to bother going through all the specs and everything else because there's a million of these, but this is special for our channel. Very, very special. Now, let's see how we get this baby open. Okay, well, while I'm opening it, I will talk about the fact that we've done a lot of comparison stuff on the channel. There's a lot of competition on the channel, and this is only going to add to it. You know, is it going to be better than the SCX10? Is it going to be better than the HPI Venture? Who knows, but we're certainly going to find out, and it's going to be very, very exciting on this journey. There's going to be lots and lots of videos about it. Now I can see the back of the truck. I'm very excited. Just make sure we turn it up the right way. And here she is. Oh my word. Wow. This is making me feel like I'm 10 years old at Christmas again. Wow. Okay, let's get the radio out. Put that down there. What have we got here? Again, I'm not going to go through all the details. Some spares, a manual. We don't care about that right now. Well, I certainly don't. Okay, body kit off. Let's get this off. Already, the paint on the body just seems incredible. That is, blimey, it weighs some. It's really heavy. Whoa. I can't quite get over how heavy this body is. It's got some serious weight to it. Some real hard plastic. Wheel arches. That is really nice. I'm not biased at all, of course. But yeah, I mean, you've probably seen these 100 times on YouTube, but for me, it's the first time. So this is just excitement. I've been sitting at work all day thinking about this. That is just amazing. The level of detail is just incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Okay, to be honest, I haven't bought one of these for a while, or when it first came out, because I thought this kind of money is a stupid amount of money for a remote control truck, and I'm a family man with no disposable budget. That's a definite. And there's no way I'm going to spend this kind of money on a truck. However, having looked at the body alone, I'm one for quality, and to me this seems like quality. This thing is an absolute beast. It's really heavy. Let me get the box out of the way. It's really heavy. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. The shocks, everything just... I'm a little bit kind of... This is not going to be a good review really for the channel, I don't think. Not yet anyway, because I'm just so full of excitement that I don't really know what to say. I'm a little bit speechless at the minute. That is just awesome. Really cool. And it's a lot heavier than the Venture. A lot heavier. It's just cool. It's just lovely. Very impressed. Just the components and everything. Okay, the radio. Can probably just about use that one-handed, because I like to use my radios one-handed. That's nice. Nice positive switches. Yeah, I like that. I mean, this is such early days. I know there's problems with these, and like with every truck, you know, underpowered servo and things like that, but we're going to find this out, and I'm going to run it for stock for now, and there will be over time so many extras for it that I'm going to buy. Budget depending, of course. The HPI Venture, that's one thing. As much as I love that truck and it is amazing, it has really frustrated me trying to get hop-ups and spares and things. And funnily enough, the day I ordered this, I found a site, well, Amazon, that could import some really cool hop-ups. So I've got some orange suspension links coming for the HPI. But maybe that was a bit of a cruel thing after I'd ordered this. But fear not, the HPI is staying. There's going to be lots and lots of very cool videos coming where we compare this to the HPI Venture and the SCX10. Especially in the summer, we're going to be going out lots and lots. We've also got some gimbals coming for the videos, so the videos are going to improve quite considerably. Andrew and I are playing with those, and it's gonna change. Things on the channel are going to change quite a bit, so please keep an eye out. And I am going to be running this bad boy a lot. Let's put the shell on, and this is where I make myself look stupid by not being able to get the shell on. There we go. That is gorgeous. Let's unhook the phone from the tripod a moment, and we'll have a little bit of a closer look. There she is. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a beast. And I mean a beast. It's huge. It seems so much more imposing than the HPI Venture, it really does. And the SCX10 for that matter. Sorry, Andrew, but wait until you see it, mate, in the flesh. I know Andrew is as excited as I am about this. It's incredible. Sorry about the poor lighting in here. I haven't really had time to set up any lighting, so it's a bit dark, so apologies, but I was too excited to wait any longer. So let's take the shell back off. I can't believe how heavy that shell is. Let's have a look at the truck. Components just look lovely. It's just a really nice built truck. Just looks like there's been a lot of time. Come on, focus. Looks like there's been a lot of time spent getting this right, and it's just a thing of beauty. I'm going to really enjoy thrusting this round. I am really happy, and I'm going to end the video now because I'm going to charge a battery and use it in the conservatory here, go over some logs and just, you know, have a bit of fun with it. So lots more to come on the channel. Please do stay tuned. We got some really cool stuff coming and a new set of videos as well from the last outing, not including this obviously, but videos will come with this soon. We're going to plan to go out this weekend, I believe, if it's not too cold, and give it a test run. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye for now.